Wednesday, January 31st, 2024. Feast of Saint John Bosco. Focus. What is the wisdom given to him? How are such mighty works done by his hands? We sometimes come across people doing mighty works to help others or save their lives. How do they do such amazing things? How do they overcome their fear and achieve these feats? Despite our wonder and disbelief, do we attribute it to the hand of God and praise Him for it? Those who trust in the Lord will be protected and preserved from all trouble. As a child, Saint John Bosco was inspired by a beautiful lady who appeared in his dreams and showed him the future work he must do. She urged him to be humble, steadfast, and strong. Even in later years, he always relied on divine guidance to discern the kind of work he should do and whose lives he should touch. As he worked tirelessly in the Lord's vineyard, he entrusted everything to Jesus in the Blessed Sacrament and to Mary, help of Christians. And he saw many miracles happen. This, in turn, fueled the faith of the people, especially young boys on whose lives he had a profound influence. He succeeded in bringing many people closer to Jesus. On the other hand, the people of Jesus' own hometown chose to stay aloof from him. Fruit. Today, let me see Jesus in everyone I meet and do good to them. In this way, I can help make the world a better place.